As we said, it's a big IPO Wednesday. Let's get to Bob Pisani. Hey, Bob.
And I am a happy man, Carl, because I am back on the floor. And look, there's people back on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. They've been letting them back all week, allowing them to ring the bell. We have 18 IPOs this week, the most in many, many years. 18. It's important to look at some of the big ones that we've got right now. 3 CNB disruptors. Let me take a look here and show you what's going on. Here's Clear over by Citadel. That's Pete Giacchi talking to the crowd over there from Citadel. Identity verification. And look, the indications 36 to 39. Price talk there was $31. That was what it priced at. So that's going to open above the price talk here. Right here on my left here, not on the panel yet, but we have Sentinel-1, which is a cybersecurity threat detection company. That's ICE, obviously, there. But they're also going to be, they also priced above $35. The price talk there was 31 to 32. And the big one that we're all watching here, Didi, of course, the Chinese ride-hailing service, right here, hasn't opened yet. Priced at $14. 13 to 14 was the price talk there. Here's something I haven't done in a long time, folks. Let me go over here into the crowd, talk to Glenn Carell. Glenn Carell is the designated market maker for Didi. It's been a while, Glenn. How are you?
It's been a while. Yeah, welcome back to the floor. It's good to see you.
Thank you. And how's the indications for Didi? I know it's a little bit early. It takes a while to build the book right now, but tell us what you're seeing.
Yeah, we're still in the early process. We're still building the book, so it is going to take some time. So no indication, as of yet, but soon enough we will get something out there. So we're just taking our time.
Of course, I remember you handled Alibaba and many other of the Chinese IPOs. They're still coming down here on the floor. Your thoughts for the second half of the year for IPOs?
Well, you know what? It's a great day. It's about Didi right now. We're happy to be a small part of their operation and, the IPO process, and we're just focusing on that right now. Whatever comes in the future comes, so we'll be ready.
Okay, and we'll be down here waiting for that to open. Obviously, it'll be an hour or two. We don't know for sure, but we'll keep an eye on that. I don't want to eliminate or neglect the NASDAQ because they've got a lot of IPOs as well going on. LegalZoom, one of the big online legal and compliance platforms, they're also pricing. They priced yesterday above the range, $28. The price talk there, 24 to 27. Here's the bottom line. It's been a remarkable first half of the year here. 213 IPOs raised over $70 billion. That is a typical full year. So in the first half of this year, we've already done a typical full year in terms of the number of IPOs. We've had $18 billion IPOs. Never done that before, ever, even in a whole year. Average IPO return, 26%. Here's one little disappointment. Most of the return for IPOs has been on the first day, 24%. On the first day. The aftermarket after the first day has been a little bit slow. So big gains have been made, again, by the institutional investors, not the retail investors. How about the second half? Hey, look at these numbers. Look at these companies that are out there floating. Robinhood, I see. Warby Parker, the prescription eyeglass company. Chobani. Flipkart, that's India's largest online retailer. Instacart as well. That's the big grocery delivery platform. Global Foundries is out there as well. That's a big semiconductor designer. That'll be a big one if that happens. I even have Dole Food Company, believe it or not. One of the, remember them? Fruit, vegetable companies. Been around a very, very long time. They, too, will be going public again, or at least slated to possibly go public. It's going to be a very interesting year. And, guys, the most important thing right now is this is about the most perfect market conditions that you have. Not only do you have the markets at a new high, but you have oceans of liquidity out there and still a lot of private companies that are brand names still waiting to go public.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.